Oh wow, see how this hair is so lovely. I so much love this hair. Just look at that. No tangles, tangle free. And look at the front. So natural.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I installed this lace frontal for my friend. So she came in with her lace telling me that she need me to help her do that because she went to cut off the external lace which comes out on the frontal. She cut it off thinking she could install the lace herself. This is what I'm talking about. The lace was too short, but I had to manage it and try to pull it down to make sure I put it in the right place. I used the got to be glue, and I also used the melting spray. Spread it down on her hair. Try to adjust it, get it blow dry it a bit. Sorry, I didn't show you that part, but this is how it's looking. Then I had to lay it down with this band. So I went into styling the hair. So she wanted a side pattern, and she doesn't want those big coils on the front. So I don't have the hot comb, but I used my hot brush to try to lay it down, which I see it really worked for me. So guys, if you have watched this video to this moment, please click on the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and tell me what you think about this hair in the comment section. Thank you.
It's Rita, baby.
So the hair is all dried up, so I'm trying to adjust the looks and this is me trying to trim off the extra lace that is sticking out. I'm trying to be careful because I don't want to cut her skin. It was kind of difficult anyways, but I just try to make sure I don't cut her skin because you don't want to injure your customer, do you? Look at me pushing that up gently. So this is me trying to clean off the extra residue I'm seeing on the hair. So I try to wipe it out to make sure it is clean enough. So I started to comb through, trying to comb through the hair, make sure everything is in place. The hair is actually giving it's looking natural. I love the meltless glue. Look at that. You can't tell if this is a wig or her real hair. So yeah, this hair is really amazing. I really love it. Just look at those coils. The coils are really giving. Just look at that. Very amazing. I tried to use my finger to comb through it and it got no tangles at all. And look how shiny the hair is. Yeah, and I comb through it with a brush and just look at those waves. Oh my goodness, the hair is so amazing. Tell me what you think about this hair in the comment section. Is there anything I should have done special? The lace is up front okay? um just yeah, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.